If your bank app keeps sending low balance alerts and the only recruiter in your inbox is asking if you want to drive for Uber, breathe, you're in the right place. The typical search drags on for 5 months, but we're condensing it into 6 intentional, repeatable weeks. Week 1, triage. First, calm the panic. Grab one sheet of paper, draw 3 columns: skills you love, industries you care about, salary you can live on. Where the 3 lists overlap, circle the sweet spot. Nothing else gets your energy this month. Open a blank spreadsheet, drop in 20 companies that sit inside those circles. No spray and pray, we're going sniper. Finally, block 2 hours every morning for the next 42 days. Label it career time in your calendar and protect it like a dentist appointment. By day 7, you'll have a bullseye list, a daily routine, and a lot less anxiety. Week 2, weaponize your resume. Roughly 3/4 of applications are rejected by the algorithm before a human blinks. Beat the bot. 1, copy 3 target job ads into a word cloud tool. Whatever looms largest, those are your keywords. 2, rewrite every resume bullet with numbers. Increased sales becomes boosted sales 27%. 3, save as a simple black and white PDF. Robots hate surprises. Draft a short cover letter that tells one story proving you solved the exact pain the ad complains about. Finish by asking 2 former coworkers for LinkedIn endorsements. Social proof greases the wheels. Week 3, the digital storefront. Recruiters eyeball your LinkedIn for 6 seconds. Make them count. Banner: calm skyline, not a wedding cake selfie. Dash headline: skip, open to work, and swap in data analyst, my 5 years SQL. Python saved $1.2 million via dashboards. About section: 3 lines of story, 3 lines of proof, 3 lines of invitation. Let's talk if you need insight you can bank on. Open to work, but hide it from your current company if you're still employed. Join 2 industry groups. Comment once a day. The site rewards movement with search oxygen. Halfway prize: I've linked my 1-page LinkedIn checklist. Print it, tick every box, and your profile will outrank 90% of applicants within 24 hours. Week 4, hunt, don't wait. Post the new resume on the big boards, but cap yourself at 30 minutes a day. Real gold lives on company career pages. At 9 a.m., set Google alerts. Exact job title plus hiring now. Apply to 5 roles max each afternoon. Swap the first paragraph of your cover letter to echo their mission statement. 10 extra minutes, triple the callback rate. Track everything in Hunter. It's free. When the phone rings, you'll sound like someone who has their act together because you do. Week 5, crack the hidden market. Roughly 70% of roles never hit the boards. Start conversations instead. Each morning, DM one person at a target company. Hey, Sarah, your post on customer churn was sharp. I'm researching the same space. Would love to swap insights. Ask for 15 minutes, not a job. By Thursday, you'll have 5 calls. On each, ask: 1, what's your biggest team headache? 2, who else should I talk to? Email: a helpful article the next day. Reciprocity triggers memory. Employee referrals lift your interview odds from 3% to 50%. This is how you earn them. Week 6, close like a pro. Interview invites should be landing. Prep 3-star stories: situation, task, action, result, and rehearse out loud. Your cat may judge you, but your answers tighten. Research interviewers, find a shared hobby, open with it. Rapport beats resumes. When money comes up, flip the script. I'm confident we can find a number that works. What range have you budgeted? You'll rarely get lowballed. Send a thank you email within 2 hours. 30% of managers axe candidates for silence alone. Stack offers, but accept your dream one within 48 hours. Momentum matters. Zoom out. 6 weeks ago, you were stuck. Now you've got clarity, collateral, contacts, and confidence. Follow the plan, iterate once more if needed, and you'll sign an offer while the competition is still fussing with fonts. Drop "I'm in" below if you're starting today, and share this with someone who's spiraling. Algorithms reward helpful people,